How to create a meeting link in Microsoft Teams. Open Microsoft Teams. Launch the Microsoft Teams app. Go to Calendar. Click on the calendar icon on the left sidebar. Create a new meeting. Click the New Meeting button. Add meeting details. Title. Give your meeting a title. Start and end time. Set the start and end time. Attendees. Add participants by typing their names or email address. Location. If applicable, add a location. Agenda. Optionally, add an agenda. Send the invitation. Once you've added the details, click the Send button. Get the meeting link. After sending the invitation, you'll receive a confirmation email with the meeting link. You can also find the link in your calendar. Additional tips. Customize meeting options. Before starting or scheduling a meeting, you can customize options like who can bypass the lobby, who can present, and more. Test your audio and video. Ensure your audio and video are working correctly before the meeting. Mute yourself when not speaking. This helps reduce background noise. Use the chat feature. The chat feature allows you to share messages, files, and links during the meeting. Record the meeting. You can record the meeting for later reference. Share your screen. Share your screen to present content or collaborate on document. Remember, anyone with the meeting link can join the meeting, so share it carefully. If you're scheduling a meeting, make sure to set the correct date, time, and time zone. By following these steps, you can easily create and share meeting links in Microsoft Teams, making it convenient for you and your team members to connect and collaborate. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.